This is the ultimate skincare hack you need to know. I recently came across these serum capsules by the brand Everliving Skin. I was in the market for a product that would help brighten and tighten my skin, aka those fine wrinkles and lines that you get after the age of 30. These capsules contain retinol, collagen, ceramides, peptides, vitamin E, all of these ingredients that are just great for my skin. They are unscented and work great with my dry and sensitive skin. Also, aside from these capsules being so cute, they contain the perfect amount, enough for my entire face and neck. The serum is so lightweight and silky, which helps keep my skin moisturized. It's not greasy at all, which is a huge plus for me. This bottle actually came filled to the rim, but it's been a couple weeks since I started incorporating these Everliving capsules into my nighttime skincare routine, and my skin just feels so much more firm and plump. I definitely recommend these Everliving Skin capsules to anyone who wants softer, clearer, brighter, and smoother skin. Definitely check them out.